guys, today I'm gonna go be trying this Tropical Punch Prime. And take a look at this. Look at this. It's fully red and let's go try it. Okay, now let's go try it.
Pero kapag pababa,
Okay, let me show you the inside.
katulad ng
Okay, let's go try.
Prate, mga pwedeng prate or ano, na boxes, ano sobra. Pang marami. Kasi ganun yung
I would give this prime flavor tropical fruit punch a 9 out of 10 because it's kind of sweet and the minerals is kind of low. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Bye. Hi.